Piny owacho mamalo komakore kod migepe mamoko ma ok gin mag piny owacho chako chenro machwalo pi gi loche kitere gwengego ma oro kwako e sub-county auchiel e kaunti ma Wajir. Koloso e awayanga chenrono misiro kod riwruok mong'ere kaka Baitul ma Kenya. Jagoro motelo ne tend chirni kaka Ungas Sheikh Mohamed wacho ni yorno geto gwenge ma midhiero mar oro mako mondo giyud pi moko e mier mabiro konyo ji e mier kod jamni. Gwenge ma Wajir en achiel kuom gwenge ma sani oro kwako kendo luoro nitie ni ka ok oketo okenge makare to oganda nyalo kalo e achiedh nade manyalo kelo koda lal mag jamni.
We did around 4 million liters of water in the month of November and December. And we see the situation is getting even worse. We are doing this to highlight the problem, the intensity of the problem, and to get more people to come on board in supporting communities here. I know the county is doing something, national government is doing something. I know it's not enough. More needs to be done.
I want to take this opportunity to thank Baitul leadership for being the first organization that has come to help and assist the people who have been affected by the famine. Actually, this is famine. It's no more a drought situation. The situation in the county today is actually on the red emergency level now. Therefore, I want to appeal to the president himself, and not anybody else, to declare drought as a disaster in this country.
We are also looking forward to other partners to supplement what we are doing. Pale tuko, water bushers ni chache. Lazima to make sure inafika almost everywhere. So we are urging people wasikae so much ati unaenda ujenge somewhere. Mukae in one place so that kama kuna usaidizi utapata. Sasa zingine unaweza kufa huko na kuna